Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys how can we fix guys Wi-Fi problem in your phone device. Friends, you have problem in your Wi-Fi settings. So how can we fix today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, and first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we fix guys phone Wi-Fi in Oppo phone device. So open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, as you can see guys your phone Wi-Fi settings. So first of all guys we will off it, then guys click on my phone system setting as tap here. As you can see guys your phone backup and reset guys we will tap here. Last one guys backup and reset phone, and guys you can see Wi-Fi guys we will tap here. So friends, you after draw guys your phone pattern lock guys your Wi-Fi will fix, means your Wi-Fi problem will fix in your phone. So friends you can use it. So guys we off Wi-Fi, but guys you can see the Wi-Fi will on automatic after fix. Friends you can see Wi-Fi will on automatic. After guys you want to add a network, and guys you want to connect, you want to pair, you can connect and pair from here. So like that guys we can fix guys phone Wi-Fi problem in Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.